Let's look at a condition called lingual varices. Lingual varices are dilated, tortuous veins that appear on the underside or lateral borders of the tongue, most often in older adults. They are usually benign, asymptomatic, and considered a physiological vascular variation rather than a disease, though they can sometimes signal underlying systemic issues such as hypertension or liver disease. Let's look at a case scenario. Ramesh, a 65-year-old retired banker, visited his dentist after noticing dark, purplish lines under his tongue while brushing. He feared it might be oral cancer. On examination, the dentist observed multiple bluish, dilated veins on the ventral surface of the tongue. These were compressible, painless, and consistent with lingual varices. The dentist explained that lingual varices are common in elderly patients due to age-related vascular changes. Ramesh was reassured that the condition was benign, though he was advised to monitor his blood pressure and liver health, since systemic conditions can sometimes be associated. He left relieved, knowing no immediate treatment was required. More about lingual varices. Definition. Lingual varices, dilated veins on the ventral or lateral surfaces of the tongue. Considered a physiological vascular variation, not a pathological lesion. Clinical features. Appearance, bluish-purple, tortuous, compressible veins. Location, most commonly on the ventral tongue, sometimes lateral borders. Symptoms, usually asymptomatic, may cause cosmetic concern or mild discomfort. Age group, more common in elderly patients due to vascular wall changes. Risk factors, aging, hypertension, liver disease, increased venous pressure. Diagnosis. Clinical examination, visual inspection and palpation, veins collapse under pressure. Differential diagnosis must be distinguished from hemangiomas, varicosities elsewhere, or pigmented lesions. Imaging, rarely needed, Doppler ultrasound can confirm vascular nature if uncertain. Management. No treatment required unless symptomatic or cosmetically concerning. Monitoring, regular dental, medical check-ups to rule out systemic associations.